Stop scrolling because this no-bake caramel pudding is one of those desserts that looks like it came from a bakery, but is actually simple enough to make at home with just a few basic ingredients. We are going to start with 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. Add 10 tablespoons of water, stir gently, and let the gelatin bloom while we prepare the creamy base. This step is what helps the pudding hold its shape without needing eggs, baking, or complicated techniques. In a large glass bowl, add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Then add 2 cartons of table cream. If table cream is hard to find, you can use heavy cream for a richer version. Now pour in 400 milliliters of milk and 100 milliliters of water. Whisk everything together until the mixture looks smooth, silky, and fully combined. You can also use a blender, but whisking by hand works perfectly and keeps the recipe easy. If you love simple desserts that look impressive, save this recipe now, because this is exactly the kind of treat people ask you to make again. By now, the gelatin should be firm. Warm it in the microwave in short 15-second intervals until it melts completely. Do not let it boil, because boiling can weaken the gelatin and change the final texture. It should look clear, liquid, and smooth. Pour the dissolved gelatin into the creamy mixture and whisk for about 1 full minute, making sure everything is evenly incorporated. Take your time here because a well-mixed base is what gives the pudding that beautiful, delicate texture when it sets. Transfer the mixture into a lightly greased glass dish or pudding mold, then smooth the top gently. Place it in the refrigerator until firm, about 3 hours. While the pudding chills, we make the caramel sauce. Add 2 cups of sugar to a pan over low heat and let it melt slowly. At first, you do not need to stir too much. Once the bottom starts turning golden, stir gently until the sugar becomes a deep amber caramel. Carefully add 1 cup of water. It will bubble up and the sugar may form little pieces, but keep the heat low and let everything dissolve again. Cook the caramel until it is smooth, glossy, and still pourable. Do not make it too thick because it will thicken more as it cools. Turn off the heat and let the caramel cool completely before using it. This part is very important. Do not pour hot caramel over the cold pudding because it can ruin the creamy texture. Once the pudding is firm and the caramel is cool, pour the sauce over the top and spread it evenly. Slice a clean square, serve it with extra caramel, and look at that texture. Creamy, delicate, shiny, and rich. If you would try this dessert, save the video, share it with someone who loves caramel, and follow for more easy homemade recipes.